The market is showing red numbers for the second day in a row. And for many people it is time to panic, with the fear and greed index screaming extreme fear. And there are stocks that are falling big time, such as Nvidia yesterday or TROW today. And this is one of my favorite things that could happen in the stock market. It allows me to buy more shares at cheaper prices. And today, in this quick video, I will show you 3 stocks that are currently on my buy list. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Starting the list with TROW price stock, ticker symbol TROW. This global investment company is down roughly 12% year to date. And ever since their peak late 2021, it has never been the same in terms of stock price. And most recently, the earnings weren't too spectacular too. But what I think is a big winner is that big juicy dividend. Coming in at almost 5% and a 10% compound annual growth rate and 38 consecutive years of increasing that dividend. And again, don't get me wrong, the stock price is struggling, but the revenue is climbing again at a pretty steady and consistent pace. And again, late 2021 is where shit hits the fan for this company. We see the same thing happening with the margins, but we also see that these are recovering as well. So don't sleep on this stock, they are recovering at a consistent pace and I'm buying more shares to lower my cost average. Another favorite stock of mine is VICI Properties, and lately it feels like everybody is talking about this REIT, and I totally get why. Year to date the stock is doing a phenomenal job with a 12% increase in ticker price. But zooming out to the 1-year chart, we see that it was having some problems late 2024, and I bought big time in this period. But I still think at today's prices you get a great deal. To value a REIT, we use the price to FFO, which is only sitting at 12.7 for VICI, indicating they are undervalued. And revenue has been growing at a really steady and consistent pace historically. Most recently it is slowing down a little bit, but nothing that worries me big time. On top of that, VICI pays a juicy 5.3% dividend yield, something that could really boost your average dividend yield. And not only that, payout ratio is significantly lower versus the average for REITs, and they have a solid track record in terms of historical growth. Down the line, I still think VICI could be a great buy at current prices, hence why I keep on buying this REIT. It is currently my biggest position within the REIT sector, and with reason. The last stock I'm keeping a close eye on is Salesforce, ticker symbol CRM. And the main reason is because that massive drop of 20% earlier this year. Most recently they reported earnings, where they missed on revenue by a slim margin. But for the upcoming earnings, almost all analysts expect another miss, driven by the weak outlook of the company. And to me, this sell-off was a bit overreacted. And the 12 trailing month PE ratio is sitting at 46, clearly showing signs of overvaluation. However, looking at the forward PE ratio, they are just trading at 26, which is a really great deal for this tech giant. Especially taking a look at the revenue, that is going up really steady and consistent historically. And it gets even better. Margins are increasing at a really high pace as well. On top of that, they even pay a small dividend. So to me, it feels like a great deal, and very soon I will do a full deep dive video on this stock. And that wraps it up for today's video. Stay calm and buy more high quality shares when the market goes down. No reason to panic, and if you do your research, you will find great deals at much lower prices. So remember to always do your own research and never fully trust on what I or other YouTubers say about a stock. I'm not a financial advisor and this content is just for entertaining purposes only. I hope you liked this video and that did bring some insights of the company to you. I would really appreciate a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to get notified when I'm posting a new video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.